What is Hangouts app? Do you still remember when you first opened the Hangouts app? Well, you'll be greeted with a fresh interface where it lets you do some things you've never had before. And after watching this video, you'll discover more about its functionalities that made this app one of a kind, so let's carry on. Actually, if your phone is operating in Android OS, then it automatically comes with the Hangouts app. In fact, it's an app that allows you to communicate with your friends through chats or video calls. Also, it could work as your phone's text messaging app. Well, using it would be very easy. First, just look for the plus sign and then click it to start a new conversation. There you could also see your friends and choose whom you want to have a video call or chat with. Of course, you have to make sure that they're online, and if not, you've got to wait for them to respond. So you could maybe just leave a message that could also be a voice message, and you could also add photos. But don't forget to use emojis, since it's definitely something you guys could have a lot of fun with. And also, this app would allow you to message or have a video call with multiple people at once. You could do it by clicking the plus sign, then click New Group and choose the contacts you want to be in that group. And in case you want to add more, then just click the 3 vertical dots at the top right and click People. But if it's a video call, then click Invite People instead. You've just discovered an amazing topic about the Hangouts app. And now click this, and let's see the next amazing topic.